Hi, I'm Matthew. I'm an Associate Applications Technician at MeCAD. Today we are going to be covering how to wrap sketches on a curved surface. This powerful tool allows you to project a 2D sketch onto a curved or complex surface, creating features like this embedded logo on a water bottle. Let's see how it's done. We'll start by opening up the file of the bottle. Once Solidworks is open, we can see our bottle with the logo embedded into the bottle. If we go into our design tree and expand the part, we can then select the wrap feature to highlight its placement on the bottle. Next, let's open the part and take a closer look at the wrap feature. Here we can see a new plane, and when we click on it, we can see that it has been used for our wrap feature. Next, we'll go back in time to see how the wrap feature was created. Firstly, in the Features tab, select Reference Geometry and then choose Plane. We'll select the right plane as our reference and create an offset plane that sits just on the outside of our cylindrical face. Now let's create a sketch on our new plane. We'll select the plane and click Sketch. From the Sketch tab, select the Text tool. In the Property Manager, type the text you want to wrap. In our case, it's MeCAD. To customize the font, uncheck Use Document Font and click the Font button. Here you can change the font style and size. We'll set the size to 72 points and click OK. Our text now appears on the sketch plane. Once you're happy with the placement, exit the sketch. With the sketch still selected, go to Features tab and click the Wrap command. In the Wrap Property Manager, the first step is to select the face you want to wrap the sketch onto. We'll select the main cylindrical face of the bottle. Next, we choose our wrap type. We can choose between Emboss, Deboss, and Scribe. Underneath, we can see our wrap method, where we can choose from either analytical or spline surface. And there you have it. The sketch is now perfectly embossed onto the curved surface. Let's look at the other options. We can edit the feature and switch the wrap style to deboss. This will remove material instead of adding it, creating an engraved effect. As you can see, the logo is now cut into the surface of the bottle. Finally, we can now take this bottle and insert it into Solidworks Visualize, so we can see a more realistic looking version of our bottle. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching.